Alright, so finally I got my hands on it, the ShadowPro Patrol Y60. This is the most expensive diecast I ever bought. So first thing first, let's unbox it. There's just something about the first look at a fresh diecast. You can already tell the quality on this thing is on another level. Also the packaging is also really wonderful. They have kept a lot of wrappings just to protect it, and I really appreciate it as its most expensive one. As you can see, it comes with a acrylic box as well, so that is good for the display. And I think there is plastic wrapping as well. Let us remove that as well and take the diecast out of this box as well, so we can have a good look to that. Let's lift the acrylic and get a better look at the body. Check out this red beast. I would say it has a really solid tone that really pops out under the light. It has a white headlights against the red, looks like really sick, and those black and white tires, definitely a nice touch. No matter which angle you're looking at, this thing just looks solid. So I bought this around for 2500 rupees. So I'm not sure if it is overpriced or it is correct, but I really wanted this. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Thank you for watching.